Hi friends, I'm the unicorn, Scotland's national animal, and I'm here to guide you through the magic of Scottish stories, traditions and tunes. Welcome back to our series, Scotland in Our Backyard, in partnership with North Carolina Humanities.
Hi everyone, I am Jennifer Lico. Welcome to the premiere of Scotland in Our Backyard. This is our brand new grant-funded video series for ages 3 to 7, and it's specifically for learners in North Carolina and families at home, but it can also be appropriate for anywhere throughout the world. But there is a specific link to North Carolina Humanities. So first, I just want to say a big thank you to North Carolina Humanities for making this possible. And I do believe that when children connect with their heritage, they build pride, they build empathy, and of course, a deeper understanding and sense of community. And that's exactly what this series is all about. I'm also very grateful for all the guests that were on the video series. We had Maddie McGinnis, who teaches us a simple Scots Gaelic song and reminds us why sharing traditions and keeping traditions alive is so important and what it means to her. And we also had William Ritter, who is a North Carolina old-time musician, and he shows us how old-time music in North Carolina grew from Scottish roots and the different accents that it takes on. We also had Cassandra Calo, who is a Scottish Highland piper. She breaks down the parts of the Highland bagpipes. She shares with us the sounds and the purpose and the history behind the bagpipes. Of course, all of this in a very simplified way for children. We were also fortunate to have from Folklore Scotland 2 representatives, Rebecca Brown and David White, and they shared with us a lot about folklore, and their expertise in folklore was fabulous. They guide us through the legends and the meaning behind the legends and the overall themes of folklore and how it's important to humanity. And we had Georgina Andrew from Scotland, who's a Scottish Highland dancer, and she guides us through steps and talks to us about the history of Scottish Highland dancing. Last but not least, our friends at the Scotland Shop also contributed with the traditions of kilt wearing. And so all of these people who came on to share with us traditions from Scotland and how it shaped North Carolina because of the mass immigration that we've had in the state is just really insightful, and it was really fun to do it through the lens of a child as well. The schedule of the series, there are a total of 12 videos. They're bite-sized episodes of anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. They started dropping daily on June 16th and every weekday on YouTube. On each episode, we do have inquiry-based worksheets that teachers and parents can download directly from our website that spark curiosity and critical thinking with the children. We also have teacher resources, lessons and tips for extensions that they can do in the class. And this is also great for homeschooling parents as well. We included some coloring pages of famous Scottish icons and characters. We have a lot of story starters for children to craft their own tales. And of course, all of this is available on the blog pages. And with each video, there is a blog page that goes with it that's dedicated to being able to access all of these extra resources that tie into the video subject. So as I mentioned, these are great for in the classroom. We found a lot of ways to align these lessons to North Carolina social studies and art standards. They can be used in the classroom because they're very short videos as well. So we certainly suggest them being used in the classroom. Also, they can be used at home. You can pause the video and go back and practice the song again that you learned, or talk about the folklore tale that you just heard, or try that dance again. So that's what's really great about using these at home, is just being able to go back over and over and learn these dance steps and these songs that are and these tales that are taught through these videos. Um, and of course, for more ideas, you can always visit the blog pages for each episode and discover these further ideas in the classroom and the home. You can get started now. You're now watching the official YouTube Premiere chat. So I would, of course, invite you to drop your questions in the chat, and we will be happy to answer them. Anytime there is a question, we are available to provide as much information as we can. I'm from the Scottish Cultural Outreach Foundation, and we are the ones that have put together this series. And we have several programs that are helpful when it comes to engaging children in Scottish culture. We have performances through our Highland Echoes program. We have workshops through our Highland Echoes program, and we have school shows through Scotland in the Class, and we have standards-based lesson plans for K through 5 for every subject at scotlandintheclass.com, and all of those Scotland in the Class resources are always free. So, of course, we are glad to help whenever we can. What I would like to do now is share a little bit from the video series so you can get an idea of the concept. All of the videos are featuring Ewan the unicorn, and the unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. So he is the host for all the videos, and we had a lot of fun creating him and animating him and bringing his character to life. And he interviews all of our guests and tries to take our viewers on a magical journey. And again, if you have any questions, please go ahead and place those questions in the chat, and I'll be happy to answer.
Are you ready for a real treat? We're about to meet a real-life Scots Gaelic singer. That's right. She sings in a language that comes from way, way back in Scotland's history. Are you ready?
Hallo, is Misha Madi nicht genug?
Wow, that sounded like singing already. That was beautiful, but I'm not quite sure what it meant. Can you tell us what you just said in English?
Also, I would like to give you a little bit of a challenge. I would like to invite you to post a photo of your first worksheet or your first activity that you do with your kids. So if you do have a photo that you can post and just use hashtag Scotland in our backyard, or you can tag us at Scotland in the Class via Instagram, that would be great. So yesterday and today we had the Scots Gaelic song videos release, and tomorrow will be William Ritter from North Carolina. So that will take place tomorrow, and I'm really excited about the ones that are coming up. And I hope that you all have a chance to enjoy them with your young learners. I want to thank North Carolina Humanities one more time. This was a great opportunity to be a part of this project and to think about some of these traditions in a way that really connects us as a community and brings us to life more as human beings, and really give us a chance to express ourselves and our beliefs through the arts and through our traditions. And so this was a really great learning opportunity for our organization. And it's also hopefully going to be a great learning opportunity for all the kids who watch these videos. I invite questions, comments. You can always reach me through our website, scotlandintheclass.com, or Scottish Cultural Outreach Foundation.org, or you can email me at jennifer@highlandechoes.com. And of course, we are always looking for volunteers and support in any way that we can continue to do our work in engaging young learners in Scottish heritage and culture. So thank you again, and we hope to hear from you.
This video is part of our Scotland in Our Backyard series, supported in part by North Carolina Humanities, a state affiliate of the National Endowment for the Humanities. Until next time, keep humming, keep dancing, and keep discovering your heritage.